Hi friends, today I am providing an information about part of the claims. The specification comprises claims, and claims are the important part of the specification which provide the boundary or limitation of that specification. So this presentation is all about part of the claims, means necessary elements of the ideal claims. So let's get started. Parts of the claims are mainly the preamble, transitional phase, and the body. We will see each and every part in detail and how to their use in specification to get better protection of the claim. Preamble. It provides information about category of the claims, means it provides the broader information about that what claim is related to which technology, which scientific area it's related to. For example, a method for treatment, means after reading this one can get information that this claim is related to the method for treatment. Third, or second, a device for rotation, means after reading this one can get information that yes, the claims are related to the a device for rotation. Preamble aids to understand type of innovation claimed by applicant, means for example an automatic radioactive device for transformation. So after reading this preamble one can get information that yes, it's the radioactive device which is automatically working for the transformation. It may reflect object of the invention, and object of the invention can form preamble of the claims. Means in one specification if drafter has mentioned that an object of the invention is to provide device for safety of human being, so he can claim with the preamble that a device for safety of the human being comprising of or consisting of according to the transitional phases. It is consistent with the title of the invention. In most of the specification, after reading the patent, we will get information that title of the invention can form the preamble. Second, transitional phases. Transitional phases conjoins the preamble with the body. Transitional phase plays an important role in defining claim scope. For example, comprising of, consisting of, etc. So transitional phases, what they are do, they are preamble and body part is joined by the transitional phases. Transitional phases play an important role to secure the protection or to set the limit of the claims. So we will see important transitional phases. Open-ended transitional phase, it contains, means for example the transitional phases are comprising of, including, characterized by. So we will understand this transitional phase by the one example. This claim is a digital camera which records a photograph image signal generated in response to photographing instruction into recording medium in a compressed state. So this is a preamble. Comprising, this is a transitional phase. Now the blue part, a predictor for predicting an optimal compression ratio capable of compressing the photograph image signal up to target size prior to photographing instruction. A compressor for compressing the photograph image signal on the basis of optimal compression ratio, and a recorder for recording a compressed photograph image signal generated by said compressor into said recording medium. So this blue part after comprising is the body part. So we will see what it tried to cover. See, after reading preamble, it's I get an idea that it's a digital camera in which signal recording mechanism is there, and it contains three parts, three elements: a predictor, it contains a predictor, a compressor, and a recorder. Let's say some one or one another company come up with the new camera in which predictor, compressor and recorder already there with flashlight and timer. Now, in this case, because it contains flashlights and timer, it's not that the new device is not infringing this patent. New device definitely infringing this patent because we have used comprising. Comprising is open-ended phrase, and it it provides the protection in such a way that though anyone come up with the device which contains these three elements, minimum these three elements, then it will infringe. Other elements it may include, but those elements are not considered during the prosecution, and these if these three elements are mentioned in that new device, then it will be the infringement. Next transitional phase is closed transitional phase. Example consisting of the modular bag of first module consisting of circular, oval, elliptical, triangular, rectangular and hexagonal screws. Now this is consisting of this closed transitional phase. Means when I say that I want to set up the boundary for this claim, then if any bag which contains first module and this type of screws, then that product will infringe this claim. So for example, I am giving you another example. Let's say one soap composition consists of A plus B plus C. It's defined in the claim, and someone come up with the novel formulation as said by that company, and it contains A plus C plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Now, as mentioned here, it contains A plus B plus C, and the novel formulation contains also A plus B plus C. Then it is the totally infringement of this claim. So, why this type of consisting of word is used during the claim? During the prosecution or during the invention building phase, drafter knows that or scientist knows that these are the very much crucial elements, and without these elements no one can form this product. When there is such kind of assurity is there, that time closed transition phases are used. Beside this, another few transitional phases are used. Those are partially open claim phrases, and other transitional phases consist of having, containing and composed of. So what's in the partially open claim or phases? Consisting essentially of. Now this type of claim occupies a middle ground between closed claim that are written in consisting of format, that fully open claim that are drafted in comprising format. Means this is somewhat in between open phrase transitional to closed phrase transitional. So this occupies the middle ground between that. So it's not completely open and it's not completely closed according to the state of the art at the time of the litigation. The prediction of these terms is done by the judge or the court. Now we will move to the third part, the body. The body part comes after transitional phase. The body part provides detailed information about different elements of invention and their relationship with each other. Now on page number 4, I have shown you the blue part. This is a body, and it, as I said, it provides the information about elements. So here are element predictor, here is compressor, and here is a recorder. So he has provided the information about these elements and their relationship with the parent device or with the main device. So such kind of information is provided by the body. So this is all about the body part of the claim. In next video I will provide you all the information about type of the claims, how to use these claims types according to invention, and what is best way to draft the patent claims. Till then, thank you, bye bye, take care.